Why?
Well, they're supposed to be non-slip. I just slipped all the way down there.
Right, that is. We're kind of passing this, so we thought we'd come and have a look. We've been here one time before, but quite a long time ago. But because we've had so much rain, all the waterfalls and things are going to be really, really heavy, and there's going to be a lot of water on them. We've been to places like this before where there's just literally been a trickle, because quite often you don't get a lot of rain in Queensland, so it should be good. So while setting up that last shot, the leg of my tripod snapped off. Don't end up having your head first. Got it?
There you go, Mrs. Woody.
I would have gone, but you know.
You were going, that's the reason I went, so you didn't have
to. Only because he knows he's going to have to come and rescue me. If I got stuck, or if I fell, he'd have to come anyway, so he just thought, well, I might just go and do it myself then, and not.
How you doing back there, Mrs. Waddy? Hey? Oh yeah? Looking good in your boots? I think this is a newfound hobby of ours. When we was in Victoria, we were going to do the grampians and that, and we only had trainers. So we went and brought ourselves some boots. And yeah, we're well into it now. Seem to be getting better and better.
My trainers were really worn out as well. They were like, had no tread on them at all, so I didn't feel very safe. Every time I walked them, I felt like I was going to slip over. So these, I feel like Spider-Man in these. Why?
Well, they're supposed to be non-slip. I just slipped all the way down there.
Right, that is slippery though. What about, haven't you got your Spider-Man boots on?
Obviously not. Jesus. If it's going to happen, it will happen to Waddy. So here we are. This is Natural Bridge. Wow, this is such a good place. We're just going to go into the cave now underneath, and you'll see where all this water comes from a hole above.
This is the glowworm cave. I've never been in here before. Woo. that water.
There was a time when you used to be able to jump from above through that hole into the water. Well, they've knocked that on the head now, you're not allowed to do it, or swim in the water. So we've got a decision to make. Left or right?
You go that way.
You go that way.
And I'll go this way.
But
and if I hear a scream, I know they've got you.
no.
Bye.
I'm going the same way as you. I turn around and Mrs. Watty was way back. I think she's rescuing a butterfly. Sort of thing she does. We come along these sort of paths and she sees little things like that. She's all stopping. She's good. And then the sun comes out through the trees. How lovely. Look at that. So we're now above the cave. And this is where the water comes down and actually goes through the hole into it. And that part over there was where you used to be able to get to jump through the hole into the water at the bottom. And off all these rocks up here. So there you go, there's a better view. The water goes down that hole into the cave below, which is supposed to be the glowworm cave, but we didn't see any glowworms today. How good would it be sitting in that little pool there? What an Instagram shot. Alison's going to climb down and in her bikini and just sit in that pool, and I'm going to take a nice photo for her Instagram. Off you go. You going?
No, I'm not going.
Why not?
Because I'm not a
Come on, you
nana.
made me do it earlier before in the other place. Dangle over the edge of the cliff.
I haven't got my bikini.
Well, do it in your what's
What
it?
can I say? I'm not wearing any boxes.
You're not wearing no what's it? Okay. Well, I'm not doing it, so that's that.
At this place, it's just a bit special, isn't it? I mean, anything to do with having running water and stuff like that, it gets my vote. I love it.
Oh, look, it's beautiful.
And this is kind of right on our doorstep too, isn't it?
Yeah.
But because we've been to Victoria and we've done other places, you forget that this is here for you. It's quite weird, isn't it?
Kind of just take it for granted. But, oh yeah, Natural Breed's just up the road.
Yeah.
But
we've been here twice in 12 years. So I dare say we'll be coming back now after we've been here now. And I think we'll be going to places that we haven't been to before. Simply because we've now got a new taste for it, I think, having travelled a bit. But yeah, lovely, isn't it? Special. We enjoyed that, didn't we?
Oh yeah, superb.
So
We hadn't planned stopping, but just came across it and thought, yep, we'll call in there. Yeah.
Get the old boots off.
The boots.
Telling you needed them too. I mean, like, yeah, because Mark nearly slipped over, didn't you? Anyway, but there's people up there in just like thongs and normal sort of shoes. But we bought these for the Grampians, so we'll be using them. Anyway.
Oh yeah. Mind you, I'd probably slip less in my thongs.
But we'll leave it there, I think. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next